Alright, y'all. This is what I call a bougie broke grilled cheese. Actually, I came across this one day uh, just playing around, and it was actually good as hell. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay? So we're going to put that good little butter in that pan. Now listen, this part you cannot skip on with grilled cheese. You gotta like put the real butter in there. Like don't be trying to, I know we said bougie, like it's like a bougie broke meal, but you don't wanna like, it's some stuff you just got, like you can't you can't just mess around with, not do it. We're gonna get all of that. Yes, sir. Alright. Get that whole bottom of that pan coated. Child. Yes. Alright. Alright. I can turn this down to like medium high. So this butter won't burn. Alright, now this is what I do. At this point, I'm going to put my bread in. Now, I take garlic powder. So almost has like a, come on, garlic powder. Almost has like a Texas toast kind of taste, but it's like grilled cheese. Why the hell I did not take this off before? Hold on, I'm back. So just go ahead and put your cheese on there, on top of that garlic powder, like that. Of course, I am not doing this correctly. And then you put your other piece of bread on there. And swirl that around a little bit so I can get a little bit of all that butter and that garlic that's on the bottom of that pan. Yes, sir. Now I'm telling you, this is one of them meals. Now I wouldn't even say a meal, but these one of them snacks. Oh shoot, the cheese. Come on, man. What you doing, bro? Ain't nobody tell you to escape. Now this is one of them little snacks. When your girlfriend is slightly bougie, but still she grew up in the hood, so she know about grilled cheeses and shit. Cause you know I quickly burn something. Wait, come on, man. What? Why? You don't want to flip? Bruh, there you go. I don't like, well, this is not, God damn, this is just not want to go well. Why you ain't even melting, bruh? Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Then we need our little next round of butter. Boom. 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 Ooh, why does that sound like coffee though? Boom. And because we got a little bit of that garlic still in the pan, the second part gets garlic also from the butter on the pan. And you can add some more if you like, but you don't want it to be like too garlicky where it's like Texas toast. You see that? Y'all know that look good. Stop playing. What your girl be doing? What your girl be doing when it's the middle of the night? You done loved her down and you hungry? That's what this meal is. You done loved your girl down and y'all done messed around and got a little hungry. And you be like, baby, what we gonna cook? What we gonna eat? What we gonna do? I'm hungry. I done worked up an appetite. Look at that, y'all. Oh, ooh. Alright. That is about the toast. Oh, shit, we smoking. I should have turned this on. Alright, I think we good anyway, shawty. Alright. Let's get us a plate. Let's plate it. So we done plated it. Now, you know, like I said, we gotta be a little bougie with it. So we're gonna cut them. We're gonna cut them in half. Cut them in half, because, you know, that'd be cute. Cute and French looking. Boom. And what I do, go to bougie part. Go to bougie part. Sprinkle a little bit of parsley on there, baby. Boom. And your girl is bougie. Real cheap. Look at that. 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 Oh. 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 Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And turn on your bell notification so you'll know when the next video is posted. Goodbye.